In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file or folder from Dropbox. Dropbox is a popular cloud storage service that allows you to store and share files with ease. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or just need to access your documents from different devices, downloading files or folders from Dropbox is a skill worth knowing. So let's dive into the steps, and don't worry, I'll walk you through each one of them clearly. First things first, you need to head over to Dropbox.com and log into your account. If you're new to Dropbox, you'll need to create an account, but for those who have an account already, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your main workspace on Dropbox and will show you all the files and folders you have stored there. Now, once you're in your dashboard, browse through your files to find the folder or file you wish to download. It's important to remember that Dropbox organizes your files in a list format, and you can navigate through your folders much like how you would on a regular computer. Once you've located the item you want to download, look for the option labeled More. This is usually represented by an ellipsis or a series of dots next to your file or folder. Click on it to view additional options related to that particular item. With the More menu open, you'll see a list of actions you can perform on that file or folder. Among these options will be the Download option. Clicking on Download initiates the downloading process. It's convenient to know that depending on the size of your file or folder, this downloading process might take a little time. So be patient and ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Once the download is complete, it will typically save to your computer's default download location. If you're using a Mac, that's usually the Downloads folder, and on a Windows PC, it might be the same location unless you've set a different one. Always remember to check your Downloads folder if you're wondering where the file is gone. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a file or folder from Dropbox. It's a fairly straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Being able to efficiently manage your downloads ensures that you have all the necessary files at your fingertips, especially when working remotely or across multiple devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on utilizing cloud storage services like Dropbox. Thank you for watching, and happy downloading.